kidding me. Tell Matthew you had fun.
You are so welcome. Thank you for coming.
Over here.
Matthew, can you say bye,
Good seeing you. So long. Jimmy, knock on this door right here. Right there. Knock on that door. You know how to do it, Matthew? Show Jimmy.
Thank you. Bye.
Wow.
I know, and I love that. You feel like, man, yeah, of course it is. He's telling you a fact.
Let me get information. I am interested. Okay. I'm not doing anything. Okay.
We lost poor Ed Hamilton the other day.
Do you have a chance to do?
Stranger took his boat to get across the Hillsborough River.
Bye, Matthew.
Bye, Miss
He got a boat from the other side.
Oh.
They found him once his clothing and a mailman.
Hi, baby.
Most folks think he got
Well, you want me to, I'm going to go upstairs and get some of our stuff.
Are you ready to go, Jimmy?
Yeah, Matthew, I think.
They have that big playground outside. Don't you want to see that?
I think Matthew might be able to play with you for a couple minutes, okay?
Oh, that'd be great. You want to play with Matthew on the playground? Thanks for inviting us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Really
Thanks for
appreciate
coming.
it.
Now, do you guys, you have a